Laughlin, Nevada is a scenic hour-and-a-half drive just south of the infamous Las Vegas Strip. It's a popular getaway for Vegas locals as well as residents from all over due to the combination of recreational water activities and gambling. And it's not hard to see why so many have fallen in love with Laughlin. It's a quieter, slower-paced Vegas surrounded by beautiful mountains and the majestic Colorado River. While on a recent trip to Laughlin, we decided to get a closer look at the Colorado River by taking a boat tour on the London Bridge jet boat. Guests can get picked up at Aquarius Hotel and Casino or, like us, at Harrah's Laughlin Hotel and Casino. At the time, our tickets were just $85. However, prices may change, so be sure to check the website for the most up-to-date pricing. Guests are allowed to bring alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages on board, as long as there are no glass bottles. Now, it was a little cooler when we went, but that didn't stop the boat from filling up. Masks were optional, although with the chilly weather, they added a little extra warmth to the trip. Once we left Laughlin, we traveled 58 miles down the Colorado River to Lake Havasu City, home of the London Bridge. This voyage takes approximately 2 hours. The scenic views were spectacular. They change from desert to beaches, from houses to various rock formations, which really makes the 58-mile trip just cruise by. I'll stop talking for a bit so you folks can enjoy the ride.
morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good, good, good morning, sun. Good, good, good morning. Good, good morning. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good, good, good morning, sun. Good, good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good, good morning, sun. Good, good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good, 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 good morning, sun.
The boat does stop at Topak Gorge, which is absolutely breathtaking. This area is only accessible by boat and showcases volcanic rock formations, emerald green water, and ancient Indian petroglyphs. Once in Lake Havasu City, we had 2 hours to explore the area and check out the infamous London Bridge. Our first stop was lunch at Barley Brothers Restaurant and Brewery. The food, the view, the beer, the service were all great. We enjoyed some of their craft beers, the sample platter, the lobster Cobb salad, and a grilled chicken sandwich. After lunch, we made the trek over the bridge. Now this area provides amazing views of the river and the city. While from the ground, it does seem like a quick walk across that bridge, but I assure you, it's more of a hike than it appears. Center of the bridge is a great spot for a photo, but if you're looking to do a little video for TikTok or Instagram, it can be a little bit windy. Across the bridge is the English Village. Now this is made up of shops, restaurants, and a visitor center. Now, the English Village is a fun little area to explore, but since we only had 2 hours, we definitely want to make sure we get back. This is a boat tour and they are on a strict time limit, so make sure to get back on time. They will leave without you. The ride back is just as scenic, and if you remain in the same seat, you get to see the opposite riverbank, which for us was the Arizona side of the river. This excursion is definitely the way to go if you're looking for a quick and scenic day trip from Laughlin to Lake Havasu City.